Hey there, Seb Frey the Realtor here, and in this video I'm going to explore the latest real estate market data for Santa Clara County. Here we are, it's December 2022, and if you want to know how the real estate market is wrapping up this crazy year, then you definitely want to watch this video. Alright, well before I get into all that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I really truly do appreciate it. And I also want to ask you to please mash that subscribe button right there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the little bell to make sure that you get a notification every time I put up a brand new, fun, fact-filled video, kind of like this one. All right, here we are. It's halfway through December, and so we're looking at November numbers. And I have to tell you that this December is feeling a lot to me like previous Decembers, not the last two Decembers. So December of 2020 and December of 2021 were both exceptional Decembers, and this December it is, baby, it's cold out there. I mean, like the market is definitely not as hot, anywhere near as hot as it was the previous Decembers. And you know, it was interesting. It was just at my association, my Realtor Association holiday mixer party thing, and I was talking to agents, and a lot of agents said, yeah, man, it is like deathly cold out there. That market is just, you know, just not even a flopping fish, just complete out for the count, you know. And some agents were saying, yeah, you know what, seems pretty good to me. So it's interesting, you know, like in a hot market, I mean, everyone will say, yeah, it's a really good market. But when you get into a colder market like this, there are some people who will still tell you, yeah, the market is still pretty good. And I take it to mean that, you know, the market is very choppy. It's not very uniform. I think that, you know, for prime properties, there's always, you know, buyers for super prime properties any time of year. But even though the number of listings is way down compared to where it was last December, down by about 22%, you know, there's not a lot to choose from. Buyers are still largely at this time sitting on the sidelines, except for, you know, buyers who are looking for those super prime properties in great locations, and those, you know, never go out of style. Doesn't really matter the market. All right, well, listen, now we're going to take a deep dive in to the actual statistics, because I know you guys love those. And once again, these stats are provided to you via Compass. So let's take a look at what's going on with the Santa Clara County real estate market. All right, well, check it out. This first slide here is the Santa Clara County house price trend since 1990. And as you can see, we're quite a ways down from the peak this spring. The 3-month rolling average of Santa Clara County median price is $1,600,000, and it was pushing $1.9 million earlier in the year. So while it is down substantially from the peak, it is still up about 2% compared to where we were a year ago. Another slide that I think is really interesting to look at right now is the sales volume by month. So check out this slide right here. As you can see, sales volume is way down in November compared to November a year ago. In fact, it's down 47%. That means only half as many homes are selling in November of this year compared to November of last year. And that is a tremendous drop, certainly, especially on a year-over-year basis. Here's another chart which shows you listings accepting offers, or listings which are going under contract. And check this out. The number of listings accepting contracts is very close to the number of closed sales. So the listings accepting contracts is down 43% in November versus November a year ago. So here's another chart which I think is really eye-opening. It really shows you the kind of changes that have happened to our real estate market. This shows you overbidding in Santa Clara County. And back in the spring, 91% of homes were selling over asking price. And now in November, only 35% of homes are selling over asking price. But, you know, I have this conversation with sellers a lot when I'm telling you, hey, you know, you can't really run too much of a risk of underpricing your property. And that's because even in a down market, even in a soft market or a bad market, which some people say this market is, still 1 out of 3 homes does receive multiple offers and sells over asking price. So, it certainly is possible. And I think that more homes would sell over asking price if, in fact, the sellers price their homes below market value, which is a wise strategy, I think, for just about any property in any market. And here's another chart which really shows such the radical change that we're having in the market. This is the average sales price to original list price ratio. And here you can see that in March, homes were selling for an average of 16% above original list price. And now in November, just 8 months later, homes are selling 3% below original list price. And that is a drop of 19%. That is a massive, massive shift in a very short period of time in the sales to original list price ratio, and is, I think, very emblematic of what the market is doing here in Santa Clara County. This next chart here is going to show you the average days on market for sold listings in Santa Clara County. And as you can see, actually, our days on market right now, it's about 27, 28 days on market for homes that actually sell. And you know what? It's higher than it has been in the last couple of years, say, but it's really not very much higher than it is normally. In a typical market in Santa Clara County, the average days on market really is somewhere in the 30 to 45 day range. I think that is pretty typical. So I think that what we're seeing right now in terms of how long it takes you to sell your house, it isn't bad. Not too bad. It's not like it was, but nothing is like it was, because that was an exceptional time here earlier in the year. All right, well, this next chart here, this shows you Santa Clara County homes on the market. This is actual active listings for sale. And as you can see, there's a big, crowning in the spring and summer months, and it drops down. And right now, we only have 1,242 listings at the beginning of December available in Santa Clara County. So there still is not a lot for sale, which definitely works to your advantage if you are selling a home right now. And if you're a buyer, well, geez, there still isn't really very much to choose from. But now let's go and compare our active listings on market to what's been going on the past several years to give you more of a perspective. And as you can see, actually, we're still are kind of maybe a little bit low based on what we've been seeing over the past several years, with the exception of 2017. There really isn't very much to buy right now. And if you are a seller, there isn't really a lot of competition. And I think it's this dearth of inventory that is really helping to prop up real estate prices. Prices are still up 2% approximately year over year. And a lot of that has to do with the fact that still so many people are opting not to sell their homes. All right, well, you know what? Compass puts out a whole bunch more slides than that, but I think that a lot of people just kind of get overwhelmed with the amount of data that Compass puts out. But if you do want to have, all the slides, please, by all means, give me a call. Yeah, my phone number at the bottom of the screen, it's 408-548-7348. You can call me or text me anytime, or find me on Facebook or Instagram or, your favorite messaging platform. I am not hard to find. And I'd be happy to shoot you the full set of data for Santa Clara County or, Santa Cruz or San Mateo or whatever floats your boat. Let me know. I'd be happy to get that to you. But before I wrap this up, I just want to say that, the real estate market in Santa Clara County, it is not like it was. We all have a hangover really from how it was. A lot of people are saying, geez, I wish I would have sold my house in March. Yeah, of course. Well, I wish I would have bought Apple stock at $10 a share, right? I mean, you can't change the past. All you can do is, act accordingly with the information that you have right now, and take your best step forward, whatever that happens to be. And if that should involve the purchase or sale of real estate here in the greater San Francisco Bay Area, please go ahead, give me a call. Love to speak with you. Again, my number, bottom of the screen, it's 408-548-7348. All right, that's all I got for this video. I know, so short, but I want to thank you so very much for watching. And if you like this video, I'm guessing you might also like some of these videos over here. These are some of the most popular videos here on my YouTube channel, so please do check those out and subscribe to my channel. I would really love it if you would do that. All right, that's all I got for this one. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned.